Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Nokia G42 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings and here scroll down and look for accessibility features. Now there's a display size and a text, and we want to increase the font size as well as the display size. Font size will increase the text and display size will make all of the buttons and icons much bigger. Next option, and keep in mind that all of this is optional, you can adjust it to your preference. There's bold text that you can activate and it will make all of the text and font much bigger. Then there's high contrast text, and when you enable it, all underneath text like make everything bigger or smaller right here, you can see that it becomes more readable. Now let's go back, and the next feature is in color and motion, and here we can remove all of the animations to reduce motion sickness on this device. And the last thing I want to show you is in the system of your phone, and here there's gestures, and now we can deactivate all of the gestures as it's a bit annoying to have something pop up when you don't want it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.